Hey folks, welcome back to part 25 of manual testing series. In this video, let's talk about sanity testing. Sanity testing is a subset of regression testing. The basic understanding between smoke testing and sanity testing is always confusing. So, in the last video, we have spoken about smoke testing. So, sanity testing is actually a subset of regression testing. Okay. Sanity testing is performed to ensure that the code changes that are made are working fine or working properly. Okay. Sanity testing is a stoppage to check whether testing for the build can proceed or not. The team focus or the focus of the team during the sanity testing process is to validate the functionality of application and not detailed testing. Basically, I would say that if there is any bug fix, let's see the next point. Sanity testing is performed on a build which contain bug fixes. So this is important. So basically, it is a subset of regression testing. What happens is when you have log couple of defects. Okay, now all the defects are fixed, and then you are given a build to test. So now you have to verify the changes. What you will do, you will perform testing around the defected or affected part. Okay. So that is called a sanity testing. When you have a defect, okay, when that defect is fixed, and now you are performing the sanity testing upon the issue around the defect. So that is what defines the sanity testing. So this will be a part of regression testing because you will perform you'll put different kinds of input and validate, right? Basically, this is not documented anywhere. You will not document these sanity tests. Okay. Uh, Say that you have written a test case, and then based on the test case, you will perform testing. Sometimes, what happens is you will put certain values. Okay. It will not work. Okay. That is where you will log a defect. Let's say the password field should accept 8 characters, but it is able to accept more than 8 characters. In here, there is a issue. It is accepting like 20 characters basically. So at that time, what you can do is you can raise a bug. Okay, saying this. And after the bug is fixed, now it's your turn to verify it again by performing different type of by putting different type of values into the field, and then you will verify. Okay, so this is a subset of regression testing because you will perform different type of testing on it. Okay, values by providing different values on it. So basically, these are the key features or main features of sanity testing, narrow and deep. Okay, it concentrates on one particular fix. Okay, and then you will perform deep testing on the particular defect or identified where the issue was identified. Unscripted. Okay, it is performed by testers basically, and it is a subset of regression testing. We already spoke about it. It is a subset of regression testing, and it will not be documented. So these are the key features of sanity testing. So you understood like why do we perform sanity testing and when do we perform sanity testing? Why do we perform sanity testing is suppose there is a bug fix, then you have to confirm that the bug is fixed or not. Correct? For that you have to enter the values, different set of values to confirm that whether it is working fine or not before closing the defect. That is why you will perform sanity testing. When do we perform? You already got the answer. When you have got a new build which is having the bug fixes, that is where we will perform sanity testing. But smoke testing is little different. If you have not watched the previous video, you have to watch it so that you will get better clarity on what is smoke testing. Let's see some of the advantages of sanity testing. Sanity testing helps to quickly identify defects in the core functionality. Okay, it can be carried out in lesser times as no documentation is required for sanity testing. Basically, you can perform it quickly So you do not have to document what scenarios you perform, what tests you performed on the, what different values you have put on the field. All that you do not have to do it. Okay. It is used to verify a small functionality of the system application, whether it is still working or not even after a small change, because this contains the bug fix. Okay. When the bug is fixed, whether it is working fine or not, you have to perform testing before you close it. Okay. You will also verify if there is any bug found. You can reopen the ticket. Okay. If it while you perform sanity testing, you can reopen the ticket and say that this is what you found. Otherwise, if the team says that, you log it as a different bug, and if the existing bug is fixed, you can close it. So you can do that too. Okay. Sanity testing helps to increase confidence in the quality of the software by ensuring that the most critical functions are working as expected before more comprehensive testing is performed. So basically, it gives you more confidence, because when on a defect you perform multiple, testing by putting multiple values, you perform kind of a lot of different methods you will try. So because you have found a bug, so you'll be more conscious that you have to try with out with the different values. So that is where you tend to put more effort, and it will increase the confidence. Okay, that the system is almost like a bug free. It is not 100% bug free. We cannot make sure the system is 100% bug free. Okay, so basically, you will make sure the critical functionality are working as expected. Okay, so that is why sanity testing plays an important role. Hope you got what is sanity testing and what are the advantages and what are the main features of sanity testing. If you have liked this video, please do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.